This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by the all-new Komatsu PC220LC12 and the PC220LCI12. Next level excavators for enhanced operator enablement and advanced technology that can boost your bottom line. Learn more at komatsu.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, November 18th. I'm Miles Cooksey, filling in for Jessica Klein. CNH is closing its case plant in Burlington, Iowa, where they manufacture backhoe loaders and other case machines. CNH attributes the closing to declining demand and underutilization. And what happens when a municipality invests in new equipment? In the case of Kalispell, Montana, the growing population and purchases of new public safety equipment strain resources and it outgrows its maintenance facility. Read how they're addressing it on constructionequipment.com. And the relatively new category of rotating telehandlers is expanding, with JLG bringing to market the R13100 model, capable of lifting 13,200 pounds. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you on the next Weekly Iron.